Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to draw H from alphabet lore. I hope you'll follow along with me. All you'll need is a black marker and anything to color with. Let's get started. To start with our H, we're going to need a black marker to outline. So here, I'm going to start right here and go up. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 bumps and then back down. And we'll stop right about there. Maybe a little further. About there. Then we're gonna curve over and then back up. We're gonna come here and do 3 bumps again. 1, 2, 3. And then back down. We're gonna stop right there to match the other side. Now that we're here, we're gonna draw an eye right here. And we want to do another one exactly the same on this side. So we'll put one right over here. Perfect. Okay, on these eyes, we're gonna do this kind of oval shape. There, and then we're gonna fill in the rest of the space. We wanna leave this center white, but we'll fill in the rest of it black. And then over here, you're doing a really good job. We're almost there. And we're gonna keep going with the body. Awesome, that's looking great. Okay, next, we're gonna keep going down and we're gonna do the exact same thing up here, but down here, just upside down. So we'll do a line and then do 1, 2, 3, and then back up. And about right here, we're gonna stop and go this way and then back down. And then do 1, 2, 3, and then back up and stop right there. Perfect. Okay, we're almost there. To finish our H, we're gonna do this frowny mouth. And then inside the mouth, we'll do 1 tooth and then 2 teeth. And then we'll finish the rest of the space in black. Awesome. That looks really, really good. I missed a couple spots, so I'll fill those in with black. And there we have H. Now that we have our shape, we're gonna fill our H in with color. So I'm gonna take this lightish green color and I'll fill in the whole H shape. Except for the eyes and the teeth. We'll leave those white. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take a blue colored pencil and just kind of shade around the eyes. Just a little shading down this half of the H, maybe a little on this side. Maybe a little purple on top. Awesome. And there we have H from alphabet lore.
Yay!
Wow, that turned out so great. If your drawing didn't turn out the way you wanted it to, you can always watch the video again and pause it so you can keep practicing. But I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye!
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.